Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks.
Before we start the lesson today, let us pray. The prayer begins. The prayer is finished. Before we start the class, please let's prepare ourselves for the lesson today. Please make sure your desk is clean and clean. Okay, good. Let me check the attendance. Who is absent today?
I think everyone is present today.
That's good. Our students are present today. Is everyone ready to learn mathematics today?
Inshallah ready.
Okay, good. Now, before we start today's lesson, let's look at why this topic is important in our daily life. Mathematics is widely used in real life situations. For example, we use mathematics to measure speed, acceleration, and how fast something changes over time. Today, I will show you a short video. Please pay attention and think about this question. How can we measure how fast something changes?
Billboards are including animals everywhere. For example, running a business efficiently requires us to maximize profit and measure the rate of increase in profit relative to the quantity produced to effectively make money. We can also calculate temperature variations and which these are products to do this, estimate when these events of the graphic will be, and find the velocity and acceleration of an object. All these examples require derivatives. For this video, we will use derivatives to find the velocity and acceleration of an object, as it is the most applicable scenario. This is because with only position function given, we are able to find the velocity and acceleration since they all measure the rates of change of each other. So what exactly is a derivative?
A derivative is a function that shows us the rate of change of a variable from place to another. It may also be defined as the slope or gradient of a tangent line to occur at a given point. Derivatives are represented as dy over dx, and the process of finding the derivative of a function is called differentiation. Here is the basic way to differentiate a function. In this method, we're using something that we call power rule, where the power of x gets subtracted by 1, while the entire function is multiplied by the value of the original power.
So basically, we use the derivatives to find velocity and acceleration.
So how exactly do we use derivatives to calculate velocity and acceleration? To find both velocity and acceleration, we first need to find the function that shows the object is displaced at a given time, or what we usually call the position function. To find the velocity at a given time, all we have to do is find the derivative of the position function, then substitute the value of time. The same thing goes for finding acceleration, but instead of finding the derivative of the position function, we need to find the derivative of the velocity function. So in order to find the acceleration function, we have to find the derivative of the derivative of the position function.
Okay, from the video, what quantities were changing?
Velocity and acceleration.
Yes, velocity and acceleration. But velocity and acceleration describe change. In mathematics, we use something called derivative to measure change. So, today we will learn first the derivative as the rate of change. Second, how to find the derivative using the power rule. Now let's learn the concept to find this change. The derivative as the rate of change. A derivative represents the rate of change of one quantity with respect to another. If y is a function of x, then the derivative is written as dy over dx. 0
is
is
equal to 1.
1. Okay.
7 times 1
is
equal to 7.
7. Okay, that's correct. Now it's time for application. Please work in groups. Each group will work on a worksheet. So each step clearly using the power rule. Problem 1. Find the derivative of function. You show each step using the power rule. Problem 2. Given the function, rewrite the function using for form and find the derivative using the power rule. Problem 3. A car moves along step given position given. You can find the velocity function of the car and determine the velocity at a specific time. Last problem. Displacement object moving side, like model. You can find the velocity function using power rule and object move for this specific time.
Find the velocity function using the power rule.
Have you finished that?
Yes.
Let's summarize what we have learned today. What does a derivative represent?
Derivative represents the rate of change.
Yes, it represents the rate of change. How do we find derivative using the power rule?
The derivative of x to the power of n is n times x to the power of n minus 1.
Yes, correct. We multiply by the exponent and reduce the power rule by 1. Now, show your understanding individually. Solve each problem carefully and show your step. Some question ask you find the derivative. Some question ask you interpret meaning of the derivative. You have 10 minutes to complete the project. Have you finished?